What's good, everybody? Welcome to my channel. My name's Taz Sketchum from Draw Daily. I'm a full-time artist and illustrator, and on this channel we approach art from a business standpoint. Here I provide tips and tricks based off my experience to artists who are looking to make their passion into a career. Topics such as e-commerce, publishing, writing, passive income, social media presence, developing one's art skills, making money online, etc. So as you can tell by the title of this video, we're going to be talking about 5 great habits to have as an artist slash entrepreneur. 1. Study other artists. If you have any role models, anybody that you look up to, make sure that you're studying everything that they do and constantly be striving to improve yourself in every way possible. And not just practice, consciously practice and work on the flaws. The things that you're not good at, make sure that you're practicing on those consistently. I mean, it's really important to improve. And a lot of people practice, but they don't practice consciously. So yes, like I said, find someone that you look up to, find somebody that has a style that's similar to what you want to achieve later on, and just kind of emulate that and practice as best as you can consciously. So if, for example, you need to work on anatomy and you're not good with drawing hands, you want to be drawing hands more than you're drawing, let's say, like faces, right? Don't always do the same thing over and over again. You have to branch out and get out your comfort zone if you want to grow as an artist. And by doing this will allow you to gain more clients and generate more revenue, which is always a good thing. Another great practice would be to use references. Don't be shy. A lot of people use references. I, in fact, use references. It's honestly a great way to improve yourself and learn basic structure of any object. You can find very, very good references on Pinterest. Inspiration, if you don't have any ideas on what to draw, install Pinterest. Trust me, you're gonna find something. Another great place would be Instagram. You can search hashtags, whatever specific niche that you're working in, like let's say anime. You could just search those hashtags and you're gonna find inspiration there as well. But no matter what, just make sure that you're drawing daily, consistently, no pun intended. But honestly, if you want to improve, you have to put in the work. And like the saying goes, you have to put in the 10,000 hours of work to become an expert at anything. 2, embrace opportunity. Whenever you get a chance to do commission work or something that you wouldn't normally want to work on, take that opportunity. And the reason why this is because it's not only building character and discipline, but it's also going to generate more income, which is always a good thing. And it's going to give you experience. So later on in life, you're a much better artist. So branch out, take a chance, and do the things that you're not comfortable doing. One of the things that I struggle with is learning how to make manga pages. And so that's what I've been practicing on, because I'm going to eventually have to learn that in order to make my own manga. That's one of my goals within the future. So yeah, like make sure that you're practicing every day on the things that you don't want to practice on. So if you get a chance to do a commission or other types of strange work, do it. Trust me, it's going to come out better than you think. And in my case, like it always comes out better than I think. Even when I rush it and I just say, you know what, I'm just going to do it. I'm just going to get it done. It always turns out better than I thought. Tip number 3, add value. This is a really good tip. It's actually one of the best tips that I could give to someone. Be courteous and professional towards your clients and anyone that you're working for or working with. So tip number 4 is to take advice from people that already achieved your desired results. People that are already in positions where you would like to be in sometime in the near future. One of the best ways to do this is to reach out to someone that is close to where you're at, but they have already made it past that point. And then you can find out how they did it. You don't really want to reach out to somebody that is light years beyond you because it might not be fresh in their memory. They might already have a completely different mindset, and they might only be focused on stabilizing that current amount of success and not really growing the same way that you would have to try to grow at the beginning of your journey. Like many people say that already succeeded, the hardest part is to make it to that 1,000 subscriber mark and getting monetized. And once you do that, you're already halfway there. And then after that, you really just, it's a snowball effect from there. You just got to stay consistent with quality content that provides value. And the 3 ways to provide value are education, inspiration, and entertainment. So find someone within your niche with similar styles, similar goals, similar achievements. Reach out to them and find out what they did. It's that simple. That way you don't have to go through the same mistakes as they did, or just, go through that procrastination phase. The 5th and final money-making mindset that every artist should have is to invest back into your business. This is my favorite one. Really make sure that you're not paying yourself too much. Save your money. I literally save at least 75% of my money that I make. You really want to focus on this, because this is exactly how you create the snowball effect. You put in the work, you put in the time, and you save your money. You make sure that you're investing as much money as you can back into your business, and it creates a snowball effect. Because for every dollar that you send out or you spend, you want those to come back with 10 friends. Every dollar that you spend, you want to come back with 10 friends. You want your money to make money for you. And in order to do that, you can't spend money on liabilities. You have to use your money wisely. You have to invest in assets that directly stimulate the growth of your business. Invest in yourself. Don't be the consumer, being stuck in the everyday consumer mind state. Be the producer. Be the creator. Because at the end of the day, we're all extensions of the creator. And that's the very essence of creativity. With that being said, guys, hope you have an awesome day. If you found value in this content, smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. That would help me out a lot, and I would greatly appreciate it. If you're not already subscribed, consider subscribing, because there will be more content like this. Stay positive, stay motivated, stay creative. Namaste.